Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. In today's tutorial, we'll be implementing an interactive menu with a hover effect using React and Tailwind CSS. For the icons, we'll be using the huge icons library. We also have a Figma design ready as a reference, which we'll be following throughout the process. Alright, now Jubair will walk you through everything step by step. Let's get started.
Over here, I have already set up a React application and installed TypeScript as well. So we'll directly start from building the components. So we'll just quickly center this div in the screen. We'll use a flex. I'll do items center and justify center. We'll take the whole height and width of the screen. Over here, our component will be, let's see how it looks now. Okay, it's in the center. That works. And for the icons, we'll be using huge icon. And huge icon provides packages as well. So we'll be using a React package for this one. And it's ready to install as well. If I scroll down, I'll see over here this installation. Since we'll be using free icons, we'll use this command. Let's install it. Yeah, and I already copy pasted a basic code over here from the documentation itself. So I copied this text over here and this icon over from here, and I pasted this over here. Let's see if the icon is actually working or not. Okay, the icon is showing. Now we'll use the exact icon from here, which is analytics 01. We'll go for that. Search the icon. Yeah, this one. Copy the name and use it over here. Let's see if it works or not. Yeah, it works perfectly fine. Okay, now let's just copy paste the color from here. So this is the color. This is the exact color. We'll be using that. This is the background color. Okay, this is how it looks. It looks very messy because the icon has to be white. This is the icon color. Okay, this is how it looks. What is the size of the icon? Let's see that. 24 width and height. Oh, it's the exact same size. Let's add some spacing. Okay, it's 16 from the side and 14 from the bottom top. Let's do that. Let's do a padding bottom and top. It's 14 and padding left and right is 16%. This is how it looks right now. It has a border radius as well. That's why it's rounded. So let's add the border radius. It looks perfect. Now let's just copy paste this multiple times and we'll change the icon later. Let's see how many we have right now. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, perfect. Now I'll just change the icons. This one is, let's just copy the name of the icon and search in huge icon. Okay, we're using the exact same icon from here. Just copy the name and import the icon from here. Now just change the name here as well. Yeah, it should work. Let's see. That's what. Let's take the another icon. This one is a tax 01. Let's use the exact same icon for which icon. Yeah, this one. Just copy the name and do the same thing again. Let's change the name here as well. Yeah, we need to do this 2 more times. Let's take this icon and search on each icon. This one. Okay, we have one more left. Search this one. Here it is. Copy the name. Do the same thing again. Just import the icon from here. Use the icon name which you just copied and paste it over here as well. Yeah, let's see how it looks now. Yeah, so this is how it looks now, and now we just need to do some alignment over here. So let's use flexbox for that. Let's remove this text over here. We don't need that. Let's do right and center. Let's add a spacing over here as well. Let's see how it looks. Okay, this is how it looks. If I zoom out, it looks exactly the same. Yeah. Perfect. So like half of our work is done. Now we just need to add animation. So let's work on that. Okay, for the animation we'll be following this Figma design, and the first one is dashboard. So let's add this text. So this is our main container. Over here we'll add the text right below the icon, dashboard, and the text color is white. Let's see how it looks right now. Okay, this is how it looks, and I have added a flex box in this container as well because we want to align our icon and the text horizontally. That's why I already make it a flex box. Tailwind has this a class called group which lets us make animation on groups, on collections basically. So if I hover over the icon, it will let us animate the text. So that's why we're using a group hover effect. Okay, so from here onwards we'll add animation on the text. So the text by default will be hidden, so we'll add opacity 0, and the max width will be 0 as well. We'll add a transition all property because we'll be transitioning multiple properties. We'll add a duration of 5 milliseconds. Now we'll add the group hover effect. Group hover, we'll make the opacity 100, make the max width. Let's do 100. That will be good. Let's do 200. Yeah, let's see how it looks. There might be some issues. Let's see. We'll fix them. Okay, so this is how it's looking right now. There's some issue with this spacing. We just need to fix that. Otherwise, it's looking really good. Okay. So for the spacing, we'll remove the padding from the right side of the container. Keep the padding on the left side. Let's do on the right side. We'll add a 16 pixel padding. Let's see how it looks now. Yeah, perfect. It's looking really good. Now we'll just copy paste this same design on every other containers. Yeah, let's just change the text one by one. Should look good now. Let's see. It's working, but there's a issue with the smoothness. So right now it's not very smooth. The whole animation, it's not that smooth. So let's fix that. We need to make it very smooth. Okay, so in order to make the animation more smoother, we need to add some hover effects on the container itself. So this is our main container, which is containing the icon and the text. So we'll add some like hover effects on the main container as well. So let's make the main container relative, because we'll be using position absolute on the text, and we'll remove the padding and add a fixed height and width. We'll do transition all, we'll add a duration of, and we'll do hover width, we'll add a fixed width. Yeah, so the other icons won't move. Yeah, that's for the container. We'll also add a class on the icon. We'll make it absolute, position absolute. It's for spacing. And over here, we'll make some more changes. First of all, we'll make it absolute. We'll do translate as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll just copy paste the same code on each and every one. So we'll just do that very quickly. I have copy pasted all the styles. So let's take a look how it looks now. Okay, so it's looking much better. It's very smooth now comparatively to the previous one. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys.
Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe if you enjoyed it and stay tuned for more tutorials. See you in the next one. Bye.